Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel.
Today I want to share with you this website, www.redbubble.com. And for those who are wondering, no, they're not paying me a thing for this video, and nor do I make money on YouTube because I don't have my channel monetized. It was intended that way since I created it. In fact, that is my channel, and as you can see, there is no money whatsoever. So I just wanted to put that out there for those who think that I'm selling stuff and it's just for the money. So, but eventually when I find something that can work, I will pass it on to you guys. That's my email. And those are 3 sales that I have found, that I have had, already with Redbubble. So I thought I'd share that information. How I do it: I take a picture with my phone. There goes the camera, and I find the spot that I like the best. I make sure that the picture is in square mode before I take the picture. And there it goes. I like that spot right there. Sort of like that. Okay. So you select, the point is you select what you're gonna use. Now I find the picture and I edit it at the, let's see, top right corner right there. And that little wand, it just makes it all nice and pretty. And then I save it. That's great. Now that's my Redbubble account, and I will put a link in your in the description of this video for you guys to see what I'm talking about. So I look for where it says add new work, and I click in there. There is a drop down menu on the left side, and then I select the picture that I just took, and there it goes. In less than a minute, Redbubble will upload my picture and create a bunch of products, t-shirts and cushions and throw pillows and whatnot with my art. But I'm gonna show you later on what it does, but right now I just wanted to show you that at the end there are some things that you will need to click before you upload your art. It will ask you if it's mature content, if you have the copyright for this work, blah 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 blah. And then you say save work. Now you're ready. And there it goes. It's very, very fast, guys. So now what's gonna happen is, well, since I don't like to be doing typing stuff in my phone, I go to my laptop, to my desktop to do the rest. There it is, my store. I go to manager and then quick edit, and then like manage portfolio or something like that, and then quick edit, and then you can see the picture and you see that it's untitled. What is the best way to title your work for Google search? Well, let's ask Google, right? So I am going to do like green, black, and orange for like fall decorations, maybe home decor, something like that. Then let's see, these tags in here are very important because this is what Google's gonna read when somebody types this kind of title. So let's go to Google and let's see what it recommends. After typing green pillowcases, it gives me this list. But I go to the bottom of my screen because right at the bottom, right here, these are Google's recommendations. So these are the words that I'm going to type in my Redbubble tags. But since I'm holding my iPad with one hand, I'm going to type them off camera. I'll be back. Okay, so here is how it looks. Like I said, I was gonna show you what Redbubble does with your art. See, it has all kinds of things in there, t-shirts and throw pillows, pillowcases, totes, whatnot. And the other thing that I like is it ships worldwide. So if this video has been helpful to you, I will invite you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Well, I hope this information was useful to you. Do not expect very many videos like this. I am not the kind of person who's going to just pass information on to you just to make money. In fact, I show you that Redbubble is not paying me a penny to pass this information to you. But if I come across something that I see that can work, even if it's a little bit, as I show you in my email, I will pass it to you. I know some of you have wonderful work in their beautiful paintings and may even have a better chance to sell your paintings in different home decor products than mine. So please feel free to explore, think about it, and if it works out for you, great. Until next time, keep painting.